How to fix DeepSeek? The server is busy. Please try again later. Error. What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you 3 ways you can fix a problem. So let's get started with your first solution. Now, if you are trying to get any deep answer in DeepSeek, you may go ahead and toggle the search button. Only toggle on this deep thinking as it enables reasoning problem. You can go ahead and try it. Ask any questions and see if this fixes your problem. Another thing is you can open a new account, click on my profile, click on logout, and then sign up with a different Google account and search all your questions. That might also help you with avoiding please try again later problem. And the third things you can do is avoiding peak hours. During morning and evening, you can also wait for a couple of minutes and refresh your page and see if this fixes your problem. Just like so you guys, this is how you can avoid it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.